proPERLA Exterior Facade Coating. This unique coating technology makes facades self-cleaning, extremely water repellent, and allows the walls to breathe naturally. You will recognize the excellent water repellent property by its beading behavior. It will make the masonry dry and extremely resistant to biological hazards, mould, mildew, and others. As a leading manufacturer, we have combined all our expertise with the latest nanotechnology. The masonry is able to breathe and be permeable to water vapor. It lets air and moisture pass through from one side to the other. Dirt particles are unable to obtain a hold on the proPERLA coated facade, and it simply flows off with the rain droplets. Water absorption can be minimized dramatically by treating with proPERLA. The water absorption will be reduced by more than 95%. Your coated masonry will be protected against destructive impact of sun and other weather conditions, acid rain, salt spray, smog, etc. It will be weather protected and color stable for many years. proPERLA, the ultimate weather protection. For more information, please visit